Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Johanna and this is Graceful Simple Life. Now in today's video, I'm just going to do a quick run through of what my basic pedicure items are for my at-home beauty series. Again, it's important to have self-care at home and be able to do your own thing. It's fun to get your hair, your nails done every now and then, but especially with everything that's going on in the world right now, we want to be able to take care of ourselves at home, and for that we definitely need those basic staples. So this is just going to be a quick video, and it's just going to be my regular staples that I use for my own weekly pedicure that I do at home. So the first thing that I do for my pedicure is I do the Epsom salt foot soak. This is Dr. Teal's. You can buy this at Walmart and also at Big Lots. It's a pretty inexpensive bag. I want to say it's about $6. And I do like to soak my feet in this. It's also good to have, Epsom salt is great for soothing baths, but I personally use it for my feet. And I do that regular soak, and it feels really, really good. Then when I'm done soaking my feet, oh wait, I'm leaving the most important item, of course, and that is a foot tub. This is my foot tub from Homedics, and I've had this for a long time. It's definitely held up well. It does have like the gears where you can interchange these. I'll show you. I have a couple of other ones here, which I rarely use. I tend to just use the pumice stone, but definitely something you want to invest in. They cost like anywhere from $20 to, I think I've even seen them for less than $20 to $50. They're a good buy. They last a very long time. Okay, and these actually store here, and I never do that just for no reason. You know, I'll do it now for the sake of the video. Not that I ever really store it here for no reason except that I just keep it in my little caddy box. Okay, so after I soak my feet in the nice warm tub with the bubbles, I do like to follow up with the Dr. Scholl's foot cream. I love this foot cream. I've actually used it all over my body before. There was a time when I used this almost exclusively. It's very moisturizing. It keeps your feet nice and soft, and it's in about the $5 range. Again, they do sell it at Walmart, but I see it at Big Lots all the time. Actually, Big Lots has this whole collection, which is really great. But there was a time when I couldn't find it, and I got it on Amazon. I did pay more for it there. So check your local Big Lots for the Dr. Teal's, and it smells really, really good. They have like a shea, it says shea butter and aloe vera, but for some reason, for me, it almost has like a lavender scent, which is odd because there's no lavender in it, but that's what I smell. Maybe because I just find it soothes me. So after I make sure my feet are nice and moisturized, I go ahead and I will, I guess, seal my feet with vitamin E oil. So you don't want to go overboard, and you want to make sure that your feet are like that the lotion is absorbed into your skin. And then you want to go in with the oil, particularly on your cuticles, and that helps keep my feet and my heels nice and soft. And this is a pure vitamin E oil that I bought at a beauty supply. So the next two items are pretty simple, and it's actually I kind of do it like in the interim. Oh, I dropped it while I'm soaking, and that's to clean out one of these brush things. You need to clean out the nail beds. I actually do under my nail beds, but also over, just to make sure I have a nice soft nail to work on before I do my painting of my toes. And then lastly, of course, you want to have your toes nice and soft before you start clipping your toenails. So oh, and I did forget one thing. I forgot my little toe separators, but that's because I keep it in with my nail polish. So I would say these are your great basics, and then I would invest in just a pair of those foam toe separators. I'm sorry I don't have them to show you, but we all know what they look like. And again, I've had the same ones for a while, but you can buy them pretty cheap at any beauty supply. So, and that's about it. And I keep them in this little thing here. 1, 2, 3. All affordable. All drugstore. Keep yourself nice and tidy. All right, there you go. Easy peasy. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. Thank you for sticking with my channel. Those of you who have stuck to my channel, I know I'm kind of redoing everything again from zero, but you know, sometimes you just gotta take two on things. But regardless, neither here nor there. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm going to be uploading a whole lot of videos again since I'm restarting my channel from zero, but that's okay. And I will have more at-home beauty series. I did have some extensive videos before. I can't seem to retrieve them, so we're just going to do this all over again, and that's cool. So, again, all right, so I hope everyone has a really great day, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye now.